To remove and replace the spark plug on your P2500iEBT generator, follow these steps. Ensure the generator is on a flat and level surface in a well-ventilated area. If the engine has been running, allow it to cool completely to prevent the risk of burns. Locate the spark plug access door on top of the generator and remove the 2 screws from the door. Carefully remove the spark plug cap. Clean the area around the base of the spark plug. Using the spark plug wrench supplied in the toolkit, remove the spark plug. Inspect the electrode for wear and carbon buildup. The electrode should have a sharp outer edge with no rounding or erosion. Replace if the electrodes are worn or if the insulator is cracked, chipped, or fouled. Ensure the spark plug sealing washer is in good condition. Carefully clean the spark plug with a wire brush if reinstalling. Using a wire-type feeler gauge, measure the spark plug electrode gap. If necessary, adjust the gap to specification. Then, reinstall the spark plug by hand until fully seated. Tighten half turn for new spark plug. 1/8 to 1/4 when reusing the same spark plug. Reinstall the spark plug cap and ensure it is fully seated. Then, reinstall the spark plug access door and tighten the 2 screws until fully seated. Lastly, start the engine using the recommended procedures in your owner's manual to ensure proper operation of the engine. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit polarispower.com.